Looking for a reliable dumpster rental in Woburn, Massachusetts? Look no further than Mark 1, the local experts in waste management solutions. Whether you're renovating your home, cleaning out your garage, or managing a construction site, Mark 1 has the perfect dumpster for your needs. At Mark 1, we pride ourselves on providing fast, efficient, and friendly service. Our team ensures timely delivery and pickup so you can focus on your project without hassle. As a local business, we understand the unique needs of Woburn residents and businesses. Our commitment to the community is unmatched, and we strive to keep our town clean and beautiful. We also offer highly competitive rates, ensuring you get the best value for your money. Our transparent pricing means no hidden fees, just straightforward, affordable solutions for all your waste management needs. With hassle-free scheduling and flexible rental periods, Mark 1 makes it easy to get the dumpster you need when you need it. Whether you need a short-term rental for a quick project or a longer-term solution, we easily accommodate your schedule. Ready to get started? Visit our website at www.mark1inc.com dumpster rental Woburn MA or call us at 978-441-0010 to book your dumpster today. Mark 1. Reliable, efficient, and committed to your satisfaction.